Now let me explain you how do you merge two data sets. So what is merging of the data set? It is like adding data sidewise. So you are trying to get extra fields from other data set or another table. So let's say if this is the data set called student and this is the data set, let's say, called marks. You are trying to get for each roll number the marks from this table. How do you do that? So we need to create a table where all the student details and marks of all subject is available in just one table, right? So essentially based on roll number you can get all of them here, so that student detail up to this much and their marks detail like this is available in one table. Though the rows are in order here, and probably there is another way of doing this, but we shouldn't take a chance, we shouldn't be lucky all the time. So we should try to learn that how do you add these to merge these two data set based on some key like roll number. So let's look at this. This is like merging data sidewise. So what you do, you put marks final merge student marks. So this is the first table, this is the second table by roll number. So it understands that it has to merge these two data sets by roll number and produces a marks final. Let me show it to you. So I went here, I will just run this. You see marks has 5 variable, students has 5 variable, right? Students has 5 variable. However, when you run it, you will find that it will create 20 observations with 9 variables, right? 20 observations marks final with 9 variable. Why? Because if you think of serial roll number was in common in both of them, and that's why it has just taken one of them, because that's how it is merging it. Now think of if you had to take like in each class, in each section you had to do merging by roll number, then you can use something like this by C, which is like concatenation of class, section and roll number. It will do merging based on all these 3 variables. I'm not going to run it because in your data set this class and section is not at all available, but this is how you do it. So this what you learned, and after that it has created a table like this, so which is like you are seeing anyway here. Let me show it to you. If you click on this, this is how the table has come. So it has merged data set based on roll number.